My name is Janet, I'm 20 years old and currently I'm studying in Aarhus. I personally can't imagine my life without baking anymore. The first week I arrived in Aarhus, I baked every single day. I think I treat it like some other people do like meditation. It's my personal meditation. When I was younger, it never really was a hobby of mine. It was just something I did with my grandmother or my mother. When it was somebody's birthday, we always baked together. Then after I graduated from high school, I had 3 months where I did nothing, and then I really got into baking, and that's how it all started. First I started with baking cookies. The reason behind this was I read To All the Boys I Loved Before, a romantic book, and the protagonist in that book bakes a lot and she freezes the cookie dough. And I just thought that it's absolutely genius because then you can have cookies, fresh, really good warm cookies in 10 minutes. At the moment, I think my favorite thing to bake are cinnamon rolls. Definitely because I love working with yeast dough and I just like the taste and like the making of them. And I love the smell of cinnamon and sugar and chocolate. It also reminds me kind of like home with all the smells. It's just like a safe place that I can come to whenever I want. Normally with my cinnamon rolls, I fold them and then actually I cut them and then twist them. The folding part is something I learned from YouTube and the twisting part is something I learned from TikTok. I feel really safe, I feel really calm, I feel relaxed and also happy. I feel like I'm becoming like my inner child is turning out when I'm like just waiting in front of the oven and then actually like looking at the oven and seeing them rise is just something that gives me absolute joy, and I can't stop smiling if I look like at them, like how they rise. It's just, I don't know. Baking here is still nice because I still live in a dorm, and back in Germany I also lived in a dorm, so when I would bake I would always also bake for other people. I think it's really hard for people to say no to sugar and baked stuff. It's like a really easy way to give joy and happiness.